Hey everyone, today I'm super excited to share a free Premiere Pro presets pack with you. This pack includes 10 awesome presets designed to speed up your workflow and take your edits to the next level. You can download them for free using the link in the description. Let's dive in and see how these presets work and how to use them. First, let's import our presets into Premiere Pro. Go to the Effects panel, right-click here, and choose Import Presets. Then select the preset file and click Open. That's it. You'll now find all 10 presets neatly organized inside the presets folder. Now, let's go through them one by one. The first preset is Cinematic Bars. Simply drag and drop this onto any video or adjustment layer to create those classic top and bottom black bars for a cinematic look. The second and third presets are Cinematic Bars In and Cinematic Bars Out. These add smooth in and out transitions for the cinematic bars, giving your videos a polished, professional feel. Next up is the Text Pop-In effect. Just drag and drop it onto any text layer to get a snappy pop-up animation. This one's perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok videos. The fifth preset is Shaky In. This adds a cool shaky effect at the beginning of your clip. You can apply this to videos, objects, images, or text for a dynamic entrance. When adding it to an image, first scale it to your desired size and position it as you like. After that, nest the layer, then drag and drop the preset. Presets 6 and 7 are Slide In with Backflip and Slide Down with Backflip. These create fun intro and outro animations and can also be applied to videos, objects, images, or text. The 8th and 9th presets are Bass Shake Effect and Bass Zoom Effect. Apply these to an adjustment layer for music-related video edit. I recommend keeping the adjustment layer length at 6 frames for the best impact. These work great when you want to sync visual effects with bass drops. Finally, we have the Zoom Blur transition. To use this transition, add an adjustment layer above the two clips you want to transition between. Move the playhead to the cut between the two clips. Then hold the Shift key and press the left arrow key 3 times, moving 15 frames backward. Trim the start of the adjustment layer to that point. Next, hold Shift and press the right arrow key 6 times, moving 30 frames forward, and trim the end of the adjustment layer there. Finally, drag and drop the Zoom Blur transition onto the adjustment layer, and you're done. You've got a smooth, stylish transition. And that's the entire preset pack. The download link is in the description, and you can grab them for free. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.